Hey, Ken here at Waters Garden Center, and one of my favorite plants that shows up in summer. This is an evergreen native that just loves growing here. This is called Elaeagnus or silverberry. It's got this beautiful, that's the native color, the blue-green. Then we figured out how to put this variegation suit because it's very handsome. So the new growth comes out native, and then it puts on this edging to it. Very striking, especially in a yard that's covered with dark rock. It's hard to see. I mean, just this one gets up about 8 feet tall, 8 feet wide, 8 feet thick. Great privacy screens, softening up all those walls that out in the valley areas where you're covered in cinder blocks everywhere. You need to soften the thing up. Look to Elaeagnus or silverberry. This one's so low maintenance, so low water. I put it on the drip system for 1 year, and I bend it back, cut it off, and literally mine have not seen care since. So low maintenance. Animals don't eat it. Javelina, low care, doesn't get bugs, doesn't get a disease, no care. It's just too easy. Elaeagnus or silverberry in your backyard.
Click on the link below for more information. Of course, the plants are available here at Waters Garden Center, but the idea of every day at 11:30, Monday through Friday, lunchtime special is to give you something inspiring, something natural to look at, something that'll help you be a better gardener or just fun to relax with, and available at Waters Garden Center.